This video will show you how to move content from the previous Runner to Runner 19 in 2 simple steps. First, go to your Runner room and export the files. Then you go to Runner 19 and import them to the relevant course. This is how it's done. Go to your Runner room and select the Room tool. Then select Export and choose Runner 19 files and Pages or Tests. For now, let's choose Files and Pages. Choose the folder or folders you want to export. In this example, the teacher chose what resources to move and put them in a separate folder. We recommend doing the same. Then choose Export, and the file will be downloaded to the computer. Now go to Runner 19, and in the top menu, choose Other Tools, and then Content Import Tool. Choose Add File, and choose the file that you exported from the room. Go to Select Content. Now choose Course, and the course into which you want to import the documents. You can also see which documents will be imported. Now press Import Content. To ensure the files are there, go to the Course and Resources section.